You are standing on your beautiful laminate floor and ask yourself, how and with what can I best clean this? The answer is simple. I'll show you. First, clean the floor with a soft broom or vacuum cleaner. You then need a bucket, a flat mop and a cleaning agent. We recommend Clean and Green Active, which is easy to use, economical and environmentally friendly. Pour half a cupful into a bucket with 5 liters of cold water. Cold water, I hear you ask? Yes, as only when mixed with cold water does the cleaning agent work optimally and without streaking. It also enables you to save energy. Now immerse the flat mop, wring it out well and wash the floor, leaving it damp. Damp, not wet? Precisely. Avoid leaving standing water. After cleaning the floor, rinse out the cover well with warm water and leave it to dry. Until next time.